Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. What are we drawing today?
A scooter.
A scooter, electric or manual scooter, all the same.
Scooter.
Alright, you have one?
Yes.
Alright, so let's get started. Make sure you guys subscribe, put notifications on. What do we say when we start?
Bismillah.
Alright, let's go. Bismillah. Go like this. I did a little bit slanted up, a little bit, very slight slope.
Okay.
Just a straight line across the page. Okay. We'll draw the base part here, the top part, just like this. It's the same. Just make it the same thing. Then a little slant at the end. Okay, and up. Yeah. Okay. Do another, but like a little thicker bottom part, like this.
Oh, like the same.
Yeah, but a little bigger. Yeah, it's looking good. Go all the way in and then slant up. Up. Connect it. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Let's go with this. Like that. Alright, then we're gonna do the back wheel. I'm gonna start it kind of in on the part where you stand and then go around. So just wait for me and then you'll see what I'm talking about. It's not that perfect, but it's okay. Alright, go for it. Perfect. Wow, nice. How long about it? Just do the outside rim like this. Just tracing.
Oh, like a little circle inside.
Yeah, you're just tracing it.
Mine looks like it's going speeding fast because it's good.
That's okay. Okay, and then do the same thing with the back. So mine's kind of crooked. It's okay. Yeah, just tracing the outside. Yeah, I'll start from here and then up here like this. And just color into it like this. That's like the shocks. Yeah, and then back down. Yeah, and then loop it around. Yeah, skinny. Yeah. Yeah, and then color in with your marker. For the other side of the shocks, so it's like this, and then up. Yeah, on the outside of the wheel.
The same height, right?
Yep. And yep, and colored in. From here, and then connect the hook. Like that. So it kind of start from like, yeah, from right there, and then around, connecting the top, yep, and pass it a little bit, just a little bit. Yeah. And then now we're gonna go up.
Oh, just tracing it, right?
Yeah. Then up, and then around, all the way around. Follow the path, and then connect it. Yep. Alright, and then now we're gonna do the stick part. So we're just gonna start right here, go all the way up, and then connect it over here.
But how up?
And then go all
How much up?
the way like that.
How much up?
No, it just depends how tall, right? It's okay. Yes. Okay. And then we're gonna do the other part of the handle. It's like metal. So we're gonna go up, kind of near the edge of one side. Yeah. And then we're gonna do the other side, the same length. Up. Yep. And then we're gonna go out on both sides like this. Yep. Kind of like a 7, or you know, backward 7.
I can make it a little bit
Yep.
crooked.
And then we're gonna do from the top and then just go all the way across like that. Above it, yep. Stop at the other end. And we're gonna add the handles. So we're gonna go like a curve here like this. Like a little C shape a little bit.
What, out the edges?
Yeah. A little curve, yeah. And then go out like this. And then a C shape and back. It's like a padding. Up and then connect, yep. Then we're gonna do the same on this, but this time we're gonna do the C the other way, like this. And then connect. So we're gonna go out and then a C shape and then connect, okay? So out, left, yeah, and do a C and then connect. Perfect. Go here and then we just do like the lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that.
4?
Yeah. Oh, so whatever. You just put spikes. You can put more or less. That's okay. Circle here, like this, and color it in like that. On it like this. If we're going too fast, you can slow it down.
Yeah.
And that's it. Now we're gonna color it in or speed up. We'll be right back, okay? Alright, welcome back, guys. So we just finished coloring our scooters. These are colors I used, these are colors she used. And you could add a background, a road.
You could put trees, you could put the sun, you could put the moon, and you could put buildings
Yeah.
in the street if we are riding in the street, or you could put a bridge.
Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe. We'll see you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Bye.